If you're looking to start a side hustle but don't have any money to invest, don't worry. There are plenty of opportunities to make money from home with little to no startup costs. Let's go. Freelance writing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TextBroker, and Writer Access offer writing opportunities. Virtual bookkeeping. If you have experience with bookkeeping or accounting, you can offer virtual bookkeeping services to small business owners. You can use cloud-based accounting software like QuickBooks Online or Xero to manage the books from anywhere. Online tutoring platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com help you find tutoring gigs, while cloud-based accounting software like QuickBooks Online or Xero can be used for virtual bookkeeping services. Graphic design. If you have design skills, you can offer graphic design services to businesses and individuals. Social media management can be offered to businesses with tools like Hootsuite and Buffer, and graphic design services can be offered using free design tools like Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud. Transcription services can be offered through websites like TranscribeMe and Rev. Pet sitting gigs can be found through websites like Rover and Care.com. Delivery gigs through Postmates and Uber Eats can help you find delivery gigs. You can also look into photography gigs if you have an eye for angles and sell them on sites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. Online coaching. With this gig, you need some expertise in specialized areas like health and wellness coaching, business coaching, career coaching. Finally, if you have a spare room in your house or apartment, you can rent it out on Airbnb. You shouldn't have to stress too much financially. With some effort, hard work, and dedication, you could potentially earn up to $500 per day while still keeping your day job. You always have to find out where you might end up with your skills. Just get started. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss out on our latest content.